Hello wildlife lovers, this is Big Cats India, and in this video I'll be taking you into a journey of Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park, and that is the Tadoba National Park, also known as Tadoba Tiger Reserve. Dense forest, lush grasslands, deep valleys and lakes make it an ideal space for tiger and other wildlife animals. Well, it is a unique and awesome experience to sight a tiger, a top predator in its natural habitat. It lies in the Chandpur district of Maharashtra state and is approximately 150 kilometers from Nagpur city. The total area of Tadoba National Park is 1727 square kilometers. Well, if you ask me, that is quite huge. It was established in the year 1955. Andhari Wildlife Sanctuary was formed in 1986 and was later merged into Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve in 1995. There are two lakes and one waterway in the reserve: Tadoba Lake, Kolsa Lake and Tadoba River, which gives essential fixings to the reserve's wildlife. With a strong density of up to 90 to 100 tigers, Tadoba National Park has become the favorite spot of wildlife and tiger lovers. So if you are someone who would love to explore the dense forest and lush grasslands, then this is a perfect place for you to explore. The success of protection and conservation of tigers have established a good amount of this endangered species in the forest. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve could boost a healthy forest, due to which it sustained and grown since inception. Tadoba Tiger Reserve has 4 safari zones, namely Moharli, Kolara, Pangdi and Zari and Navegaon, that provide access to the reserve. There are a total of 22 gates to enter Tadoba, out of which 7 gates are in Moharli zone, 3 gates are in Navegaon zone, 7 gates are in Kolara zone, 5 gates are in Pangdi and Zari zone. A few gates you can't afford to miss safaris are at Moharli gate, Kolara gate, Junona gate and Zari gate. The best way to reach by air is through Nagpur airport, which is well connected with all major cities in India. By road, Tadoba is very well connected to other cities via Nagpur, and the nearest railway is Nagpur Junction as well. How about releasing all your stress and anxiety by doing a Tadoba Tiger Safari tour? Visit our website bigcatsindia.com to know details and to book a tiger safari to Tadoba. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video with another tour.